Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to work together tonight. Okay, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunity shared in my videos. You should understand the strategies very well before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, we will be starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. You can see here are so many trading activities going on right here. Those trading activities were activated by my trading bots, okay, and they were successful. They were all profitable trades. Okay, this trading bot is one of the trading bots which I will be introducing to us in the presentation which I'll be doing tonight, the live presentation which I'll be doing tonight, to teach you how to use some of my trading tools in a profitable way, and of course so as to be able to make profit all the time. So I hope that you guys will not miss out on this. Okay, it's coming up in the next 2 hours. Okay, so don't miss out on it. Join the Telegram channel so that you can also benefit from it. The link to join my live session will be on the Telegram channel. Okay, so click on the link and join me once it is 9 p.m. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So just where we have seen this actually came on downtrend and came to an end around here, and of course we have this yellow flag which gives us an uptrend, and of course it has been buying since then. So it got to this resistance and was unable to go above that, so it pulled back. Okay, it was a major one, still unable to go below this. If you should notice, is maintaining the same support zone with that. Okay, so it started buying again, so this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and just the way we are saying it, it was on uptrend before. You can see the yellow flag, but after getting to this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and that is why you are seeing this red flag, and we got a sell signal right from there, and it has been selling from there, even though it is playing around there for a while. But once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and of course this actually gave us some downtrend signal, and which gave us a lot of profit at the end of the day, but got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it gave us a buy signal around there, and it has been buying since then. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will buy more. Okay, so it is still this resistance zone that is holding it back. Okay, if it tries it out again and it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Now let's check out crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It started a buy trend from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, and it went up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above the resistance zone, so it started selling right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. That is volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75. This actually went on uptrend right from there, and of course it got to this resistance, had a major pullback, but went back up till it got to this resistance zone. And if you should notice, it has been playing between this resistance zone and the support zone beneath it. Okay, it has not been able to break out below the support zone in order for it to give it more room to sell more, and it has also not been able to break out above the resistance zone in order for it to continue with the buy signal that it started with around here. Okay, so we need to wait for the breakout. We hope that it breaks out below this support zone so that we can sell more, but if it does not, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy until it gets to the next resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so wait for the breakout. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to ask me. My questions are, my contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, do not miss out in from tonight's presentation. It is coming up in about 2 hours time. Don't miss out from it. The link is going to be in the description box below. It's going to be in the Telegram channel. Okay, so if you are not on the Telegram channel or in the Telegram channel, kindly join right now. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.